How to disable hardware acceleration in the Brave web browser. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can disable the hardware acceleration on your web browser. So let's just go ahead with the process. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. First of all, head over to your Brave browser. Just go ahead and open up a tab, either Google or you don't even need to do that if you don't want. And after heading over to the web browser and opening up a tab on your device, you're just gonna head over to the top three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and locate that. Just go to the right corner, tap on that error section, and you will be finding your settings here. Just go ahead and look out for that, and you may go to the settings here. Just go ahead and locate settings and wait for your settings to appear. After your settings appear on your screen, on the left side, you're gonna locate the option called system here. Just go ahead, and here on the very second, you can find this option called use graphic acceleration when available. That is your hardware settings. So right now you can see this option is enabled. What you're going to do is simply turn it off and disable it. If you want to relaunch it, just follow the same step that I told you and you should be able to relaunch it. So that is how you basically disable the hardware acceleration in your Brave browser. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.